How to scroll Pinterest on laptop. So if you want to scroll or navigate through Pinterest on your desktop or your laptop, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Pinterest application if you have the application, or if you don't have the application, you can go with your browser and open up your Pinterest. So go with browser, go with pinterest.com and make sure to log into your account. Go with sign in and you can go with the upper left, which has that three lines, and make sure that you're under the home feed option. Now once you're under the home feed, you can simply go with the arrow keys on your keyboard. You will have the upper arrow key and the bottom arrow key. You can simply press the arrow keys to scroll on your Pinterest, or you can also use your mouse. You can simply go with the scroller and just drag to the bottom or to the upwards to scroll on your Pinterest. Or the other way you can use is just go with the right side, which has this scroll bar. You just need simply click on the scroll bar, hold and click on it, and then drag it to the bottom or to the upwards to scroll. So that's how you can scroll on your Pinterest. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.